this is my new emergency light, and I made it with the help of diode and resistor and this LED. I put it with the help of alpha, and I fix it with the help of button with the alpha, and there is a diode. There is IN4001 diode. There is 550 ohm resistor, and when the LED charge, so the LED, the second LED, which is colorful, it's blink, so it is connected with the charger. So when the time of charging, the LED is blinking, and when I switch off the button, so it is off, charging off. Now I start the LED light. Yeah, this is LED, and when I turn on the button, the charging is open. I made it with the help of diode and resistor and battery. There is 4-volt battery. It is rechargeable LED light, and it is rechargeable battery, and this is my new rechargeable emergency light, and I made it. Alhamdulillah. This is a circuit of my chargeable light. There is 3 550 ohm resistor and diode. There is LED blinking. It means that it connected with the charger, and when I turn on charger, the light is blinking. It means that it has been charged. When I turn off the light, it is full charge, and now I turn on the LED. It is turned on, and I fix it. There is a mobile socket charging pin. I fix it, and I connected it with the diode and resistor and LED and switch. So there is a circuit, and with the help of this circuit, my new rechargeable emergency light is completed. Alhamdulillah.